Look at that, guys. Wouldn't you eat this right now? Because I would definitely eat this right now. Hey guys, today I'm making some spicy noodles, and this recipe was done by my daughter. She's 13. I was sick the other day in bed because I was so overtired of working on white tea, because most times I don't sleep in like 24 to 36 hours because I always keep just working to reach that goal. And I was really tired that I got sick. I couldn't move out of bed. So she had made this and brought it to me. So now I'm going to show it to everybody what she has done. And I saw a lot of people, as you know, spicy noodle challenge is is always trending. So what happened is, sometimes you can't get the noodle that you want, and in that way people have to be just trying to make it spicy on their own. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it, that it can look like the actual one that you was looking for to buy. So I'm gonna show you, because some people, I see they're using pico pepper, they're just using a regular pepper, but I know they want it to have the real look as the one that they sell. So I'm just gonna make it to show you how you can get it that way. Here I have some ramen noodle, I have some crushed pepper, I have some egg powder, I have some mixed vegetable here, but the mixed vegetable and these chicken nuggets are just plus. As you know, I like to kind of garnish my food a certain way, yes, so that's what these are for. So you basically just need the ramen noodle, crushed pepper, and the egg powder. And guys, as you know, when I show you how to make it, you can always add to your liking. For instance, if you want it to be more spicy, just add some more of the pepper in there. So I'm just gonna show you how this is done. So let's go. You know I do things Miss Brown style already. So guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open this in two, like so, before I put it in the pot. And that's it. So it's in 4 parts. And guys, I have a pot on the fire with some water, and it's already boiling. So as you know, I didn't really know how my daughter prepared hers, but I have an idea how I'm gonna do mine. So first, I think I'm gonna add the egg powder and the crushed pepper. So guys, let's go over to that stove. At first, I'm just gonna put a pinch of the egg powder, because you know how egg powder is already. You know it's no plate, or you can't add a lot because it's gonna be a problem. Okay, so as you can see, that needs more. So I'm going to add some more, but you have to just add it in pinch, guys. You can't put in a lot at once because you're gonna have a problem with the soup. I'm just gonna add a bit more. So now guys, I'm gonna add the crushed pepper to this. I'm just gonna add about this amount. And as you know, while you're making it, if you find that it's not spicy, and trust me, this is very hot because we've done it before. So if you find that it's not spicy as you want it, just keep adding more. That's the thing. Keep adding more. It's not a problem. Do it to your own taste and liking. I'm just gonna add the noodles to this. I know everybody has a like we, still we eye, cause we no love likes. We do it for the love, we no do it for the likes. Do it for the love, we no do it for the likes. Tell me say, Success don't come overnight. So guys, I'm just gonna cover this and let that cook. Guys, I'm gonna pour these mixed vegetables in there. Also, I'm gonna add the little packets of season to this for taste, as you know. Or what you can do, guys, sometimes I don't use these packets of season. I just use a cock soup with it. That's what I do most times. I just use cock soup. I'm just gonna give this another mix, and then I'm gonna take it off because this is ready. This is ready, guys. So guys, I'm just gonna pour this out of the pot into this, and then, guys, look how beautiful that is, though. Here's a spicy noodle. Wow, this is hot. This is hot, guys. Very, very hot. So guys, I've added some, as I had shown you earlier, I had shown you some chicken nuggets that I said I was going to use. So here are the chicken nuggets. And I'm just adding a little garnish to let this look beautiful. As you know, I like to let my food look beautiful. I don't like boring food, like I always said. Even if it's just a little soup, you can still let it look beautiful, guys. Yes, you can. So that's what I'm doing. Just adding some stuff here, guys, for garnish. Make sure your food look beautiful. Always want that food to look beautiful. That, as you know, guys, presentation is key. Presentation is key. Sometimes you see some food and, man, the way it looks, tell me, you're just saying, oh my gosh, I could really eat that right now, just based on how it's look. And you can also tell when food is prepared properly by looking at it. I definitely can do that. You can say, yeah man, that cooked properly. How is that looking, guys? How is this spicy noodle looking? How is that looking? Let me know, because that looking really nice to me. Guys, let me take you closer in details so you can see how this spicy noodle soup is looking. Look at that, guys. Wouldn't you eat this right now? Because I would definitely eat this right now. Guys, look at this. Look at this spicy noodle. And this didn't take long. This took about 10 minutes to put all together. Yes, it didn't take long. So make some for you and your family. And remember, guys, always tell somebody about Miss Brown. Tell them what I'm doing. Invite somebody over. Tell them that I can make some lovely dishes. Real nice. Tell them they won't regret coming over. So just remember to invite somebody over and tell them that I do things Miss Brown style. That means I'm always coming with something that has a little thing to it that is a signature style to me, you know. So guys, look at that, beautiful. And as you can see, those chicken nuggets that I've put in there, yeah, yes, I did.